The orphan who went on to create one of the world's most luxury watch brands, Hans Wilsdorf, Rolex. Rolex is one of the world's most famous luxury watch brands. As most of us know, the main reason for why Rolex is very popular is because of its luxury design and premium quality. And wearing one of these watches is seen by many and recognized as a sign of wealth and success in life. Rolex has a net worth of over $9.5 billion, making it the most valuable watch brand currently in the world. But how did all this happen? So here's how it all began. Hans Wilsdorf, the founder of Rolex, was born in Germany as the second son of a family of 3 children. Unfortunately, he had to lose both of his parents at the age of 12 and became an orphan in his childhood. But he made sure that this wouldn't stop him to create one of the world's most famous and luxurious watch brands. After becoming an adult at the age of 19, he began to work in a watchmaking company where his job was to wind a lot of pocket watches every day. And during this period of time, he gained tremendous insight into watchmaking as he utilized this opportunity to learn as much as he could about watches and their production. And as time passed by, he started getting immense amount of knowledge and experience. By this time, he and his brother-in-law got sufficient amount of money and decided to start their own small business called the Wilsdorf and Davis Company. In the beginning, they used to import the components of watches, assemble them together, and then sell them to jewelers who would put their own name on the watches and sell them as their own brand. When the business started to grow, they decided to make their own watch pieces and start their own brand. Hans Wilsdorf wanted the name of his brand to be short, easy to say, and to be remembered in any language. After coming up with multiple names, there was a day where Hans Wilsdorf said that in that particular morning, a genie whispered Rolex in his ear, which seemed to be the perfect name, making the rest history. The reason behind Rolex's success to make itself one of the world's most famous luxury watch brands is quite simple: innovation after innovation. For an example, Rolex had invented the world's first waterproof watch. Rolex uses only the best materials for each of its watches. As you all can see now that Hans Wilsdorf never stopped working hard and giving up, and always tried something different to keep him going. After so many struggles and lows in his life, he managed to achieve everything. So keep in mind that to achieve something which is seemed to be impossible, you need to first develop your mindset positively and forget all the negatives around you and think that it's possible for you to do it. Please don't allow the negativity around you to get into you and take control over your future, because if people like Hans Wilsdorf can achieve something impossible, even you